Welcome. Welcome to Tarzan's Playground. As we use all of nature as our playground, especially amazing jungle sceneries like this one here. As we learn to trust our bodies more and trust nature more, we get more accustomed to playing and moving in and with nature. And as we do, as we climb, as we play, as we navigate this amazing avatar that we've been given, we cultivate trust and we create a deeper connection to Pachamama, to the vines, this epic giant vine that just chooses to grow up on a tree. And we get to play in those environments if we choose to put ourselves, to place ourselves in these environments. Where we can explore, reach farther, and go deeper. So the invitation is to explore your own capacity, your own capability of moving with and in nature. Of course, it's a thin line between bravery and stupidity. But learning to trust the intuition of what is strong enough to carry your weight, if you're strong enough to carry your own weight, and the combination of the two. And we learn that Mother Nature embraces us. She's there to be played with, there to be used and not abused. So come and play in the jungle. Come and play in the forests of Costa Rica. Exploring, growing in trust. Together or alone. In the abundance here.